Welcome back to the 2019-2020 school year. We hope you had a great summer and we hope you're pumped up!
Welcome back, teachers. We appreciate you.
Welcome back to the new school year.
Welcome to the best school year yet. Welcome to the school year. This year is going to be bright and fabulous.
This year is going to be awesome and inspiring.
Welcome back, teachers.
Welcome back to Century. Hope you have a great summer, y'all.
Welcome back, teachers.
Welcome back, teachers!
Welcome to the school year.
Welcome back.
I want to give you some advice. Today, I want to give you some tips. First, I think you should always be friendly.
First, always remember to be kind.
Second, let me bring healthy snacks. It helps me learn.
And one of the things you should do is make our classes fun and get to know your students.
And I was gonna say to use a variety of different teaching styles because everybody learns different.
Don't give up at your work at home. Don't make bad choices. Please try to talk to us when we feel down and we don't understand stuff. Also, don't let anyone bully me.
Also, remember not to yell. Hey, that was one of mine.
I think that you should always be happy.
I think you should always pass out Skittles.
My name is Dylan, and us students appreciate you more than it might seem like we do.
Welcome back and be nice to the students. Welcome back and don't forget to brush your teeth.
Also, try to avoid me talking because I talk too much.
Don't ask too tricky of questions. Also, remind me to believe in myself. I think you should always be nice.
I want you to know that I like to walk around with you.
I want you to know I love math and reading. I want you to know that I am special. I want you to know how I make smoothies.
I want you to know you can do it. I want you to know I like making friends.
Being kind is what makes a real teacher. So try to stay calm with us. I want you to know that it will be a fun year. No, school is cool.
Thank you for helping me get math done.
Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for believing in me.
Thank you for believing in me.
Thank you for believing in me.
Good luck and thanks for all you do. Thank you for everything that you do and have a great rest of your school year.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Have a great year.
Go Panthers!
Go Panthers.
Go Panthers!
Thank you for being our teachers.
Thank you for being a teacher. Your future students are gonna be lucky to have you.
Have an awesome year.